Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been so long. I haven't posted anything in like the longest time. I'm so sorry. I've been so busy, like so busy. But I finally have a day off, so I have some free time. So I want to make a little video for you guys. The other day I did a little like gold sparkly eye makeup look, and a couple people on my Snapchat and my Instagram asked me if I would make a tutorial on it, and so just to get something out there, I'm gonna record that for you guys. Just to fill you guys in, I started a new job at a medical marijuana clinic in Los Angeles, so I work a lot, and oh, my dad's calling me. One second. Okay, sorry, I am back. That was a quick little 15-minute phone call with my dad. Oh, I miss him. But anyways, back to what I was saying. So I'm gonna do this little gold eye look for you guys. Gang. It's gonna be quick and easy, and yeah, because I wanna go to Ross, Dress for Less, and go shopping. So I wanna get this video done. Anyway, so I kind of need to remember what the hell I did. Cool. So first I'm gonna start with the Modern Renaissance palette. The brush it came with. Gonna use this side. Big bang, so I moved to Miami. I'm gonna use Raw Sienna, which is this one all the way over her. That. Y'all. Okay, so I just put a little on the brush, and then I'm just gonna put it right here in my crease. And then just dust it in there, and I'm gonna add a little more. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Just take the Raw Sienna and put it in my crease. No, I'm hot. Tory Lanez just came out with his Love Me Now album, and I am obsessed. It's just been on repeat since it came out. Literally. So the Raw Sienna is on. Now I'm gonna move to my Kylie Cosmetics palette. So I'm gonna use this orange color that's right here. So we're just gonna go ahead and take that orange one and put it in my crease also. And then same on the other eye. Okay. Then I'm gonna go back to my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm gonna use the very first color, the Tempera, the lightest, almost white color. And I'm just gonna put that on my lid using the brush, the smaller side of the brush. And I'm just gonna put it right on my lid. Okay, and now that that is on, I'm gonna take a different brush, like kind of like a pointy angled brush. I don't know, honestly, it doesn't matter. Y'all know I think that. The brushes don't matter. But anyway, I'm gonna go back to the Raw Sienna and just dust some of that color under my eye. And then back to the Kylie Cosmetics palette and do the same thing with the peachy color. Just put the same colors you put on your lid under your eye. And I'm just gonna push that up with my fingers. Then I have this Clay Off Cosmetics. Honestly, I'm not 100% sure how to say this, but it's this. I got this off Amazon, and it's like sparkly shadows that look like this. Shit's amazing, honestly. I'm obsessed with this thing. It's so pretty. Good buy. It was cheap and it works well, so, you know, what's better? I'm gonna use this gold color here in the corner. And I'm gonna just use a Q-tip to apply that. And I'm gonna just dip the Q-tip in there and pick it up. So there's the sparkles on the Q-tip, like that. And then I'm just going to pat it on my eyelid. So you kind of like put it on there and then spread it out after you put it on. It's kind of like a gel glitter. So you don't really need glue because it's already kind of wet and just sticks by itself. And then I'm just filling in my lid with the gold sparkles. Okay, so far, you know, looks all cute and sparkly. Ah. And then I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, now the sparkles are on my lid and under my eye. Fuck. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my mascara and lashes, and that's pretty much gonna be the finished look. For the mascara, I'm gonna use the Voluminous L'Oreal. And if you've seen my other videos, you know I don't think it matters what mascara you use. So I'm just gonna quickly put this on. I don't spend that much time on my mascara because I just don't give a fuck. I'm gonna put fake eyelashes on anyways, so this is just to make my lashes black so they blend in with the fake ones. Okay, so the mascara's on and I just need to apply my fake lashes. I never remember where my lashes are from because I always... Oh my god. Because, anyways, I get my lashes and then I just take them out the box and then I just have lashes like this laying around and people are like, where'd you get your lashes? And I'm like, I don't know. But, yeah. Typically, I just go on Amazon and type in fake mink and get the Artisan lashes. I think that's how you pronounce it, but yeah, usually... that's what I do. But yeah, so I'm going to use Black Duo Lash Glue. Black Duo Lash Glue. It's kind of dirty. I'm trying to hide the dirtiness. I have a brand new one, but I'm just still trying to use like the remnants of what's in my old one. Anyway, then I have my handy dandy little handheld fan to dry off my lash glue so it is ready to put on my eye. So how I do this is I use tweezers and I like put them on at first. I place them with the tweezers and then I use my fingers to like secure them, push them down. So I use my tweezers and place them with my eye open, and then I shut my eye and use my fingers to like push them down and in. And oh my god, my dad's calling me again. 1 second. Alright, my dad just called me to tell me he went to a bar and they were out of Miller Lite. My poor dad, out of his favorite beer. What's a man to do? He went home. Anyways, back to my lashes. Okay, so now the lashes are on and pretty much this is the completed look. Little copper and gold orange brown eyeshadow look. I don't know, whatever, but yeah. So sorry it's been so long since I've posted a last video. I've just been so busy and I hope that you guys understand. I hope that you guys liked this video and stay tuned because, you know, I'm definitely gonna try to get more out there to keep content rolling. Iced coffee, so good. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I miss you guys so much. Bye.